If I talk about 5 years ago, it was all like the Excel sheets we used to use, the offline Excel sheets. And also even the size, if you talk about of our organization, currently we are present in 20 states. We have 25 branches all across India. But previously, prior to Orgzit, we were quite a small organization, and having our present in 6, 7 states, 5, 6 centers were there. But I would give this credit to Orgzit even, because Orgzit helped us to grow and to manage our internal data very efficiently. So with the help of timely monitoring and supervision and maintenance of the data, I think that is one of the area which Orgzit really helped us. And due to that, today, we are able to cater to more and more people with disabilities, having presence in 25 different locations. I think our challenges were also similar as like the other, I'm sure the client must be facing of yours. Each center is, creating their own Excel sheet and then having centralized control on that data is, I think, the very common challenge which small scale organization usually face. So that is what, we were in the plans to having some centralized system, which luckily Orgzit came into picture and we were introduced by one of our board member, Mr. Atul Bhatnagar. He is the former CEO, COO, Chief Operating Officer of NSDC. So he introduced us to Orgzit, and then gradually, it was quite difficult for us to consider Orgzit, because again, Orgzit was also startup on that time. So then with Ishwar Kripa, I think Orgzit was onboarded, and gradually then the journey was started. So the experience so far has been, I think, wonderful, because whether it is a small team or a larger team, but the services which usually a client expects, I think Orgzit is absolutely delivered as per the expectation. And I think they have the personalized manager for the account. So whenever we face any difficulty, we get very timely responses from the team. I think small scale organization adopt any technology, initial transition is not at all easy, right? Wherein having acceptance among the team member was an initial challenge. But I think with the help of coordination with team, with the training and development and the acceptance among the team was quite easy, because I think the different SOPs were created to make the audience aware how to operate Orgzit. And I think when we partnered with Orgzit, so I think Pawanji was, he himself was actively engaged in development of the entire platform. So I think initially there were not much challenges, but yes, in terms of acceptance by our team member, that there we face some amount of challenges. But with the combined effort of Team Orgzit and our leadership team, we were able to overcome these issues. Two things I would like to give this answer in short. Two things. One, having the access of data at the head office means having the centralized database available for timely and right decision making. Second, I think the dashboard feature in Orgzit, I think it is really good from a management point of view, where you can have all the information at one place, so that you can timely intervene and take right decisions to make the situation better. The further development is, of course, Orgzit came 5 years ago, but now as we have spread it among different locations, different programs we have initiated. So the few add-ons are, Orgzit is quite very compatible and flexible system. We have developed our own digital applications. We call it CAP Sarathi, which is an information like Wikipedia. So this is Wikipedia for people with disability. So anyone, if need any information, they can simply come on this application, CAP Sarathi, and they can access relevant information on few clicks. So we have integrated via API integration this CAP Sarathi application to Orgzit. This is one. So Orgzit is acting as like centralized data software, where everything from different sources is coming onto Orgzit and getting compiled and giving us a picture like what is happening at different places. I think the first and foremost benefit we feel from Orgzit is we have more discipline in the team. Earlier, when you used to use Excel sheets, the timely reporting was a challenge, right? But now Orgzit is in place. By using dashboards, you can see which member has delivered what, whether they fulfilled the expectation or not. So I think this is quite useful, where timely reporting is being managed and accordingly timely actions are being taken. I think for any business, having timely input and output of the efforts and data is most important. So for us, I think this is what, probably that has benefited us. I think the customer retention, I think that is another area which is help where the process has been automated by using Observe. We we are partnered with more than 2,500 employers, all across India. So managing their life cycle, so that is one of the area where it has really helped us to make this process easy and automated. So taking their timely follow-ups, sending them regular sort of greetings, and we taking managing the timelines by using Orgzit. I think there are follow-up features, the reminders, calendar, and different are available in Orgzit. So these are helping us to streamline all these. One of the new initiative you have taken up, organizing the events, I really appreciate that. I hope that will help more and more people to get awareness about the great work that Team Orgzit is doing for facilitation of this problem. Like, that different startups usually face this data management issues. So I think if the word of mouth can be spreaded, more and more people will get aware and maybe they can have this benefit of using Orgzit.